Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we are on complementary meals for babies and we'll focus on snacks. And we have porridge and yogurt for the 6 to 7 month old babies. So we start with the porridge. We need 2 tablespoons of flour, some sugar and water. In your 2 tablespoons of flour, add in water and mix well until there are no lumps. At this age, as you're introducing porridge to the babies, kindly don't be tempted to use porridge flour that has other ingredients. Just use one type of flour and then introduce another type. You can use maybe maize flour for 2 weeks and then change to rice flour. Just keep changing when you're sure that the child can be able to tolerate. Because when you have all the mixtures, if your child reacts to that one ingredient, you will not know. It will be very hard. Okay, back to porridge. Using moderate heat, pour some water onto the pan and then add in your mixture. Keep stirring to ensure there are no lumps. You may realize that it becomes too thick. If it's too thick, add in a little water and keep stirring. Just make it a little bit light, but not watery. Remember, at 6 to 7 months, the child is being introduced to other meals. As it is cooking, add in half a teaspoon of sugar or just a teaspoon, depending on the amount you've cooked. And then you can also add a teaspoon of oil to cook together. Remember that porridge is eaten, it is not drunk. So make it light as you're cooking, but the time you're serving, serve about 100 ml of porridge and ensure that it just drops off the spoon. Make the meal healthy by adding some fruit and sips of water. And now we're looking at yogurt. We need a slice of bread, 100 ml of plain yogurt, and sips of water. So measure 100 ml of plain or natural yogurt. It's important to give children natural yogurt or plain, and just 100 ml because they are still breastfeeding or have their allocation of milk per day. Make it nutritious by adding a slice of bread that may have butter or may have just avocado, and then give safe drinking water, a few sips, and also a fruit. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.